Hello, and welcome. We're going to do a cool feature, which I don't know what the actual term is, but it's basically going to let you edit or format multiple sheets at the exact same time. So here's how it works. Let's say I want to make this yellow. Okay. Actually, let me walk you through my sheets first. So I've got a list of names here, date of birth, eye color, whatever, right? I've got another one with the exact same thing, but different content. But the structure is the same. So this technique works really well when each of your sheets is the same thing. And what I see in the industry a lot is people store some information for the week, right? And then the next week they duplicate that and then they start again. I see this a lot for like rosters, anything that's date based, like we got all these results for January. Now let's log February. Instead of putting it into the same sheet, they just keep creating new ones. Okay. So one way to actually format all of them at the same time, okay, is like this. If I hold Control on my keyboard and I select these sheets here at the bottom, you notice that they're all highlighted. Okay, whatever I do for A1 in this sheet, it's going to do the exact same thing on the other sheets. So let's start by just making this yellow. Okay, now to get out of this, I'm just going to click one of them and it'll deselect. When you've selected all of them, the behavior is a little bit different compared to when you have other sheets. So I'm just going to create a few blank ones in here. I'm going to do that again, Control and select this. This time, if I select just one, it doesn't deselect because I have other sheets. So to get out of it, just click a different sheet. Okay? All right, so don't freak out. And now if I look at each sheet, that first cell is going to be highlighted. Okay? Because I did a multiple sheet edit. So now I'm going to go edit this whole thing. Okay? Let's go put a border on it. Let's make this blue. Let's make this bold. Let's make it alternating colors. So let's say I'm going to do this. All right, let's get the format painter. Let's do that. Okay, then I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to go back to sheet 1. Now if I look at sheet 2, it's got the exact same formatting. Right? So pretty cool feature. And it's as simple as that. So I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.